Hello everyone, hope you all well. Today I'm going to be demonstrating moving or stopping. For that subject we're going to be using POM routing. Then to stop on the left hand side we're going to be using MSM. So without any delay, let's move on. So clutch down, select first gear. I'm going to set a gas, bring my clutch to the biting point. Again, I'm going to make sure front clear, back clear. I'm going to do my 6-point check from left shoulder, left mirrors, center mirror, front, right door mirror, over the right shoulder. It's all clear. I'm going to release my handbrake, set a gas, bring my clutch up. I'm going to turn my wheel 5 meters to the right. Then once my car, front of my car is in the middle of my lane, I'm going to turn the wheel 5 meters to the left. Front and back straight. I'm going to check my center mirror, right mirror, then I'm going to progress. Now to stop on the left hand side, I'm going to use a MSM. So I'm going to check my center mirror, left signal. I'm going to turn my wheel 5 meters to the left until my reference point in the front is there. Then I'm going to turn the wheel 5 meters to the right. My car straight, wheel straight, brake, clutch goes down, handbrake, neutral, cancel my signal. Okay, thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.